Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This video is the installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into Hyundai I30N. The bracket comes with a series of slots so you can install a fire extinguisher of your choosing. In this video is the one that we are installing, the one that we sell on our website. The tools you need are a 14mm socket and ratchet and two 8mm spanners. Use the 14mm ratchet to remove the two factory seat bolts. After the two factory seat bolts are removed, then install the fire extinguisher cage onto the metal bracket. The metal bracket comes with two M5 stainless steel nuts and bolts that you use to bolt your fire extinguisher onto the bracket. Then use those two 8mm spanners to tighten them up. Then, once it's all tightened down, place the bracket back in to the factory spot and put the seat bolts back in and tighten them down initially by hand. Once you've done that, tighten them up with that 14mm socket and ratchet again until all the bolts are tight. Last step, simply install the fire extinguisher into its cage and do up the latches. Job done. As you can see in this video, the fire extinguisher sits underneath the seat and isn't touched at all or interfered with by the seat movement. It also can be installed on both the driver's side and the passenger side, left-hand drive and right-hand drive. Thank you very much.